Teddy, go. You always want to be where you don't belong, bro.
Come on, Teddy.
Hey guys, it's your girl Claire and Teddy. Why are you here? And my Teddy. Look at my Teddy. I love you so much. But
You got cat hair on your chest.
I got cat hair on my chest. Baby, you have to brush him. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so today I am doing a waxing video because I need to wax. Funny story. So the company that sent me this waxing kit, they retracted their business deal with me because the first video I did, they didn't like it. They said I was in too much pain, and I'm like, bruh, that's my realistic reaction. I'm not changing it. Like, that shit hurts, period. And it was my first time waxing myself. That shit hurt. So they were like, well, can you wax your face? I was like, first of all, the assumption that I have facial hair is rude. I do have facial hair, but it's rude. And no, I can't. I already did this video. You're not paying me enough to do a second video. Boop. So they were like, well, then, you know, we'll just not work with you this time, but you can keep the waxing kit. I was like, thank you, because it's good. However, I waxed my vagina area. It did not take any hair off of my legs. That's for sure. I don't know why, but it just really didn't. I had to strip it and strip it and strip it. I wasted so much wax. And then I stripped my bikini area, and it took off the first layer of skin in my bikini area. It didn't hurt though. Like, it hurt when I waxed it, but it didn't hurt afterwards. But the first like thinnest layer of skin, it removed it. It wasn't too hot or anything because you're supposed to have it on 150 to 170 Fahrenheit, I believe. So I don't know what happened, but it works great for the underarm. I had bought this new underarm by a company called Beauty Counter because I like to wear Donna Karan. Donna Karan has been out of stock for almost a year now. Like, I don't know how Corona affected you, Donna Karan. I'm not sure what happened, but over here we can walk around without a mask. So I don't know why you're still out of stock and using Corona as an excuse. We need a deodorant back. Karen, we need a deodorant back. Anyways, so I bought this deodorant from Beauty Counter, and it completely broke me out. It made me smell really, really bad. And right here was so bad, like this whole line. I think I have pictures. If I have pictures, I'll show you. This one is not so bad. Anyways, so let's get to waxing. Oh, by the way, for the new people, what's up? How you doing? My name is Claire Moore. You feel me? Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Whoop-de-whoop-whoop. And for all my oldies but goodies, you know what it is. You know how far we go back. You feel me? Anyways, okay. So this is the pre-wax that it came in. So you're supposed to, I don't have any paper towel in the house. I'm going grocery shopping. Does anybody add their paper towels to their grocery list? I do. So you want, oh, it smells good. So you want to take some of this pre-wax and wipe your underarm with it. And then you're going to take the wax. It's a thicker wax. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wax going down, rip it up, and then put the wax going up and then rip it down. Good. Okay, I messed up already. And you want to put a nice thick amount. Like, the first time I did it, it hurt really, really bad, but it also hurt more because it was my first time. And then I didn't do my my other underarm because I was like, fuck that shit. It hurt too bad. But this, when I went and did my other underarm, I did it by myself and it didn't hurt that bad. So I don't feel as nervous as I did before. Now you're gonna wait for it to dry. Completely forgot. I said I was gonna go down and then rip it this way and then go up and rip it that way. Okay. All right, it's time to rip it, y'all. I was talking big shit. Okay, so we're gonna take apart. You got it. Yeah, I got it. Oh, Lord Jesus. Oh. Okay. All right. Let me hold it like this. What the? Nigga. don't hurt as bad as it did the first time. That's for sure. Okay, I'm Gucci. Oh, Lord Jesus. Okay. I know y'all seen me doing this like a professional. You feel me? Oh, by the way, since the last time I waxed, my hair had... Come on, focus. Is it focus? My hair has grown back. Oh, Lord Jesus. My hair has grown back much lighter. Yeah, I done pulled my... Oh, yeah, it's gonna go down. Down. I saw some waxing expert girl do it this way, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I'm telling you, it's not that bad this time. At all, really. Like, I can handle it. You know what? I'm gonna just do the whole thing. I'm gonna do the whole thing, bruh. Because you know why I'm gonna do the whole thing? Because I'm what you call a gangster. Focus on my underarm, please. Thank you. Thank you, camera. Ow. Ow. And you want to make sure you put a nice thick layer. Don't be stingy. Look at me. Call me Waxpert. All right. So now we just gonna snatch. Oh, I'm lying. There we are. We're gonna snatch it up. So you wanna loosen up a good grip. Grab you a good ass grip. Stretch it and okay. Lord Jesus. Oh, Lordy. Get a good grip and stretch. Oh. Who? Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, so it definitely didn't take off everything. It definitely didn't take off everything. But now we're gonna do it the opposite direction. If you have any tips if I'm doing this wrong, you know, leave me some comments. You know, I'm always for the help. Okay, let me clean this off, these parts right here. Now we're gonna go up. Huh, babe? Bless you. Thank you. We gotta go up. They said they didn't like my video. That's okay. Cause I still got a free waxing machine. And I still get to make content with it. And trust me, y'all, they wasn't paying me a lot. So it's Gucci, baby. All right, let's wait for this to dry. This time we're gonna rip up a piece loose, a good grip. I just want to say, for all the ladies who are bold enough to walk around with their underarm hair, I salute you, madame. But as for me, I'ma keep waxing and going through this pain. Because, baby, pain should not be beauty, but it is. I mean, but technically, like, is my underarm wax beautiful? In the eyes of who? In the eyes of capitalism? You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's continue to wax. Get a good grip. Hee hee hee. That didn't pull off shit, bro. Get a good grip. Bruh. Don't buy this waxing kit. That didn't do nothing. Let me wipe again because I'm sweating. I'm sweating because I live in New York City. I'm ready to get the flying F. Nah, for real though, all jokes aside, I don't want to be in New York City for real. Like, for real. What did I just use? Okay. Oh, I used the wrong thing. God damn. I used the after. Okay. Let's go in pieces. Let's wait for it to dry. Stretch. Maybe that's the problem. Pull. Yeah, I'm dead about to just shave the rest off. I'm done. I'm shaving the rest off. Baby, do you have razor? All right, so this is the final look. It's really great, but I feel like I'm still gonna run a razor through it because I have little tiny hairs that the waxing and grip. This is the other arm. I'm using the after wax to wipe off the wax that's left, which is this thing right here. I'm gonna put a picture of this waxing machine like right here. Whew, sorry, my nose is itching. It's cool, yeah, it's cool. I mean, I really don't love it, but it's a machine. Like, I don't think there's like anything better out there. If there is, let me know. So I'm gonna jump in the shower, wash my Coda cat, and my hair. Then I'm gonna do my nails because I already took my thumb off. It kind of like fell off, but it didn't fall off. It just felt like it needed to come off, and then I just flicked it up.